Today I'm showing you the lazy way to build a mini app to start selling online now. And let me be clear, I use this exact same method to build a fully functional mobile tool in Canva in under an hour without writing a single line of code or spending a penny on hiring a developer. Now, I want you to look at your phone right now. Look at the icons on your phone's home screen. You probably are seeing Instagram, TikTok, maybe a banking app, and definitely a weather app. For a long time, we were told that to get your face or your brand onto someone's home screen on their phone like that, you had to be a developer. You had to know Swift or Python, or you had to pay a guy $5,000 on Fiverr to build a buggy prototype. But as we move into 2026, the walls have completely come down. So today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's new creative operating system to build a functional, interactive mini app that lives on your customers' or clients' phone home screen. And we're going to do it without writing a single line of code. Are you ready for this? I hope so. This isn't about making a pretty picture. It's about building a micro utility that people can use. The reason this is the biggest opportunity of the year is that the digital product market is currently shifting away from passive information and toward active implementation. I'm going to explain that. People don't want to read your 40-page PDF on how to lose weight. They would prefer a button on their phone that tells them exactly what to eat for lunch right now. That is the difference between a $10 ebook that gets forgotten and a $50 mini app that gets used every single day. The first thing we have to change is our mindset. In Canva, you aren't creating a presentation or a flyer. First, you need to go to the search bar in Canva and type in mobile website. This is the foundation of your mini app. Canva's mobile website templates are natively responsive, meaning that they are already programmed to look perfect on an iPhone or an Android. When you open this blank canvas, this mobile website template, I want you to think in screens and not pages. So your first screen is going to be your app launchpad. This needs to be clean. Don't crowd it with text. Use a high-quality AI-generated icon in the center, something that you can create right inside of Canva using the Magic Media feature on the left of the screen, and a big bold button that says Get Started or Enter Dashboard. Every app needs a home base, and this is going to be yours. Phase 2 is creating interactivity, which is the logic for everything. That's how they're going to use the app. This is where the app feeling actually comes from. In a standard website, you scroll down. In an app, you tap to move. To make this happen, we are going to use internal hyperlinking. Let's say page 2 of your project is a daily checklist, and page 3 is a resource library. You go back to your launchpad on page 1 of the template, select your checklist icon, and hit the link button. So instead of tapping in a URL, you're going to select page 2 from the list of pages in your document. You must do this for every single navigation element. Every screen needs a back button or a home icon in the top corner that links back to page 1 or 2. This creates a closed loop experience. When a user opens this on their phone, they aren't scrolling through a document like an ebook. They are navigating an interface. It feels tactile. It feels premium. And most importantly, it feels like software that they should have paid for. Phase 3 is about how you leverage Canva's AI Magic Studio. Let me explain. In 2026, we have tools that didn't exist a year ago. If you're building a health app, for example, you can use Canva Sheets integration to pull in data. You can actually embed a simple form using the new Canva Forms tool directly into a page. Imagine your user filling out their morning glucose levels or their current mood, and that data being sent directly to a spreadsheet you both can see. Are you getting something from this? All right, let's continue. Use the magic morph feature in Canva to give your buttons a 3D or glassformism look. This is a huge design trend right now. If your buttons look like they are popping off the screen, it triggers that psychological app feel to the person that's using it. You can even use the magic animate feature to make the transitions between pages feel smooth. Instead of a hard jump, you can make the next screen slide in from the right or the left, just like a real mobile app. These tiny details are what will allow you to charge $47 for a product that took you 2 hours to build. Phase 4 is the ghost installation. Well, at least that's what I call it. This is the part that will blow your audience's mind. You aren't going to tell them to bookmark the website. You are going to teach them the add to home screen trick. When you publish your Canva site, you get a link from Canva. When your customer opens that link on their iPhone in Safari, they would tap the little square with an arrow icon at the bottom and scroll down to add to homes to their home screen on their phone. Suddenly the browser address bar disappears. The website opens in full screen mode. Remember I talked about screen? And there, sitting on their phone next to their most used apps, is your brand icon. No App Store approval, no 30% cut to Apple Store or Google Play, and no coding required. You have successfully bypassed the entire technology industry to put your product directly into your customer's pocket or iView. Number 5 is the strategy and monetization phase. Because you're going to build it, how are you going to sell it? Why are you doing this? Let's look at the strategy and examples. For a travel channel, I have a travel channel. You could build a 24-hour layover guide. When someone is stuck in an airport, they don't want to search your blog for answers. They want an app on their home screen that tells them where the best lounge is and how to get through security fast. The free to paid bridge is your best friend here. I'm going to explain. I recommend giving away a light version of your mini app. Maybe a 3-page checklist for free. You put the link in your video description and tell people grab my free travel prep app below. To get the link, they give you their email address. It's like a lead magnet. Now you have a direct line to them. And inside the free app, you have a locked premium section where they have to pay to unlock it. So when they tap it, it takes them to your Stan store or your Gumroad store, where they can buy the full global travel suite for $29 or whatever price you want to set it. This is how you beat the static PDF competition. While everyone else is sending out generic PDFs that get lost in the files folder, you are providing a living, breathing tool that can be activated right away. You're becoming part of your users' daily digital routine. And if you have been struggling with getting monetized on YouTube or making pocket change in the AdSense program, I have something special for you. This channel is all about finding other ways, including the mini apps, to make money online and not just rely on the YouTube AdSense program. And that's why I created my Creator Income Workshop Bundle just for that. I've included everything that you need to get ideas that you can use to design your mini apps. I also give you step-by-step guidance on how to make money with digital products that people are actually searching for and want to buy. And if you're new to my channel, definitely grab my free ebook, 7 Juicy Ways to Monetize Outside of the YouTube Partner Program. It's the perfect primer for everything we are trying to create here in this video. Building mini apps is the ultimate work smarter, not harder play for 2026. So you want to be on board. Don't sleep on this one. You're taking a design tool and using it as a development tool. You're taking your knowledge and turning it into a utility tool. Tomorrow in part 2, I'm going to show you 5 specific high profit niches where those mini apps are absolutely killing it right now. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Now, go open Canva right now, search for mobile website, create 2 pages and link a button between them. Once you see that button work on your own phone, the light bulb is going to stay on forever. And then you'll be ready to create an app that people really want. I'll see you in the next video to dive into those high profit niches that you can use to make money on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.